to have proper deadlines, and we need to plan in such a way that we need to meet that particular objective. And in that way, these are the simple. There are some examples I given: software development projects, some help-desk projects, leave management, and if you take it as other domains, construction. Those are also, for example, of projects only. And here we have every project consists of components, also called as modules, and every project will have versions like alpha version, beta version, and the final version. Also in stages, first stage, second stage, etc. Here, basically, we need to deal with an issues. Every project. Here, for example, an issue is represent a software bug. It could be a task. It could be a new improvement.
Excuse me.
Yeah. This is the basic screenshot of the project. Whatever the project management tool which we are using, this is the screenshot of that particular issue. Here we have an what is the issue type, how much priority that particular issue. Is that critical? Is that major? Is that minor?
Rating.
Rating. And also we have the version, Apex version. Let's say this issue belongs to which project, and what is the version that this particular issue. And also it has a component. Let's say I have a project, and the project is divided into 4 modules, and this particular issue belongs to which module and which component. And this is the environment which all these things will be admin will set. Once admin or the team lead. Once if he assigns a task, or even a client can also assign this. He can raise the issue, and there he can mention what is the project, and what is the version, and what is the module, and what is the due date. All those parameters a client or an TL or an admin can set. See here, these are the basic.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Can we ask questions in the middle or in the
Yeah, you can
last?
ask me.
And for any kind of features, what like any parameters that you want?
Okay.
Could it be done by
Admin.
team leaders?
No, admin. Only the admin. If at all you wanna customize anything, only admin can do that. You want to add new, let's say new tracker or new field, only admin can do that. And these are some of the parameters. Project, every project, parent is a project and which the issue belongs to. And also there will be a unique key for that every issue, summary of that issue, type, and also status, priority. This I already explained. And issue type. Currently we have 4 types. A bug, a issue may be a bug, and it will be an improvement, so any new improvement on that particular issue, a new task, a new feature, task, and also custom issue. Here, this is the field where if you want to say, if you want to add your own issue type, you can add it here. These are the 4 and 5 priorities we have. Blocker. Blocker means you don't need to concentrate on any other task. If the client says this particular issue is a blocker, then we have to concentrate on only this issue. Unless we resolve this issue, we should not move on to the other issue. And critical indicates that this issue is causing a problem and requires urgent attention. The critical and blocker are the 2 important issues in the management tool, where they will say, the client will say, okay, these things are more important rather than the other issues. And we have also major and minor and trivial. These are less priority. Status. Once the issue is, we have 5 status. Let's say once the task is open, it's considered once the let's say some client, the dev has given us some task, that is considered as open. The task is open, and once the issue once the issue is being assigned to any one particular developer, that is, and once the developer logs in, there is an icon where started. Then it will go to in progress mode. In progress mode, where all the stakeholders can view that. this particular task is being in progress and people are working on that. There will be a watcher where all the stakeholders can view that. And resolved. Resolved is once that particular task is or the issue is resolved. Reopened. Maybe sometimes we will say this particular task is done, but client will say no, this is not the features I wanted. Many times this comes actually. We will say no, I have completed this task, but later the client will come up no, whatever you have considered, this is not the output what I wanted, and they will say and they will ask us to reopen that particular issue, and we have to again redo it. Yeah. This is the final resolution is means a particular issue can be fixed. There is a chances we can't be fixed because of there may be some requirements will not show, whether there will be not enough information to start that particular task. That time we can say won't fix. Duplicate. Maybe there are chances where they will give the particular task, same task again and again. Then we can say that this task is this issue has been already sorted out. And incomplete, and that particular task is not been completed, then we have to say it is incomplete and cannot reproduce.
This all by the user, is it? Or
yeah, by the user.
This
this is for the users. Yeah. If you are not able to work on that particular task at this time, then you can say it cannot reproduce this. This is the basic workflow. Whatever I explained is a pictorial representation of that. Say open is that the task is open, you start in progress, it will be the status will be in progress. Once it's resolved, it will be in this stage, you can close. Once you open, there will be you can resolve there and then and there itself, and you can close that. And there will be chances where the task will be reopened and you have to resolve and then close. This is the dashboard actually. Once a user logs in to his system, this is how it looks. It will have introduction, activity stream. Whatever the actions the team is performing on that particular stream, you can review that. Let's say administrator has given some information, the client has given some information. That log, work log is say, whatever the activities happen, let's say I have completed this task, some developer updates that, you can view that. And you can see how here assigned means what are the tasks that has been assigned to me by admin or TL. You can view here.
It's listed on the name, on the name
and the dashboard.
Dashboard.
Okay. Let's say I log in. It's my dashboard. I can see all the tasks which are assigned to me.
Okay, to that particular user, only your thing can
you
be.
Cannot
you can
view
see
other users.
Yeah.
You will not be able to view.
You guys don't have any question, no? Like anything you can stop.
Yes.
No, and then and there maybe, or else make a note of it in your notepad or something.
The dashboard is the final thing actually. This is the where every user will view all his status. And also we will have projects and also issues. Projects and issues I already explained. And this is the mode of the project management tool, and where the user will have interface with this. This is the basic structure.
That's all from your end, no?
For the user end. Yeah, for the user.
No, from presentation.
Yeah.
Finish. Anything else you want to?
That's it. Yeah, conclusion and that's it. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can ask me.
Yeah. One second. You explain all the words and all the meanings of the words. That's it.
Yeah.
You didn't explain anything about how the admin will flow, what all the types of
Admin, because admin,
all the-
it's only for the user section.
No, no,
One second.
Yeah.